So this is what I'm talking about. You see these end bars here, how they're all lined up. Well, here, this one I'm pushing it down and it's sliding. It slipped off the edge, so it's not going to go all the way down into the frame or into the box. That's just an example of, like, it's just not the biggest thing in the world to correct it, but you got a tight fit. And you can actually make it almost impossible to pull it out if you slide the sucker all the way down in there. And so it just requires, I'm slipping over here, to pull it up to where it starts to taper off a little bit. See, it tapers down. So then you want to line that up and line it up down here. And just slowly let that wedge itself into place, and it will add pressure to push everything further over. All these bars that have propolis between them, it does take up space. But you got to get it down. All the way down, or the box will expose many of their flaws. Alright. I put the beetle trap there because I'm going to pull that super out in the next week or so. It's heavy. It's ready to harvest. So there's a gap between the top of those bars and the bottom of these frames. So all those bees on top of there, they're okay. Now the ones that are on the edge, we'll move out of the way. I'll slide things forward a little bit, but you are going to kill some bees. I mean, you just are. So it stinks, but you got to get over it. That's somebody at work got mad one day. I had about several hundred bee stings. I'm turning this notch here face down for the winter time. Go ahead and take care of that.